Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope that you stick around and subscribe for more. Today I am so excited to test this product out, but also just to do some makeup. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Tula has released a new primer and it has come right on time for me because I'm actually pretty much done with the first release primer that they had. If you're new on here or maybe just came across this video by chance, I love Tula and I have actually used the brand for more than a year. In fact, I actually reviewed this primer back in the summer when it first launched and I've loved it since then. So if you do want to find out more information about this primer, definitely go check out my review, which will be linked somewhere on the screen right here, right now. And if you do decide to go watch that review, please excuse my very unfortunate green eye look that I thought was amazing at the time, so I really do apologize in advance. But anyways, this is the Brighten Up Smoothing Primer Gel, which claims to grip your makeup but not clog your pores, also smooth and brighten up your skin while giving it a very refreshing sensation. It retails for $34 on Tula.com and it is formulated with probiotics, willow herb, and yuzu. This is also a cruelty-free product and this is the entire list of things that it does and does not contain. Right off the bat, I do want to say I wish this came in a different style of packaging, perhaps something like the first primer, which came in this tube, and it also had a pump so you could really control the amount of product that you wanted, but didn't necessarily have to stick your fingers in there in the entire tub of product like you kind of have to do with this one. But it is what it is. I do want to say I love the color of it. Not that the color really matters in this case, because what matters is that the product actually works and does what it claims, but it is this really pretty lime green yellow shade. It looks like that in the tub, but once you actually put it out of the tub, you can see it's actually clear. It also smells very refreshing. It has like a subtle hint of lemon, but it's not like a fake fragrant smell. It just smells very, very natural. And again, it's very subtle, so I honestly don't see the scent of this really affecting me or bothering me at all. So anyways, let's go ahead and start applying this to my face. Wow, I really like the way this feels. It feels like a very thick gel and it goes on so nicely onto the skin. It honestly feels more like a skincare product. For foundation, I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 460 Golden Beige. And I will say, now that the primer has been sitting on my skin for a couple of minutes, it does feel tacky. So I feel like the makeup will really grip onto my skin. So let's go ahead and start applying this foundation. So far, so good. My skin is looking very smooth, and I also want to say I feel like I am looking very radiant and refreshed. I mean, this foundation is already great on its own. It really does make your makeup look very fresh and natural and skin-like, but I feel like with the primer, my skin is looking especially radiant, which I really, really like. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep blending everything out, and I'm gonna go ahead and also finish off the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back to check in with you guys one more time. Alrighty guys, so my makeup is completely done, and like always, I love it. I mean, let's talk about this primer, guys, because my skin truly does look so smooth. It just, I'm gonna get close up and personal so you guys hopefully can see what I'm talking about. I hope that you guys were able to see that, and I honestly don't have anything bad to say about it thus far. I truly feel like everything that it said it was gonna do, it did, and I am pretty content with how my skin and my makeup is looking overall. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on with the rest of my day. It is currently 4:21 p.m. so I will 4:22 actually, so I will come back later on and check in. And just like that, I am back, guys. It is currently 10:50 p.m. I am feeling good and I am looking good. At least I think so. Seriously guys, this primer is good. I literally feel like my makeup looks just as good as it did when I first applied it. Everything is literally still in place. Nothing has faded. Nothing is breaking up or sliding or creasing. I am really enjoying this primer. My skin still looks super smooth and it also has this really pretty soft glow from within. I don't necessarily feel oily, but if I touch it a little bit, I can say it does feel like I could use a touch-up, but I don't feel like I have to just yet, which I really like. What I loved most is that it gripped onto my makeup and it's really making it stay locked in place. So yeah, I would 100% recommend this primer, but I would recommend it just as much as I would the first primer that they launched. In fact, I feel like both of these primers are similar in a way because both of them really make your skin look super smooth and blurred out and also work as a really nice barrier between your skin and the makeup that you're putting on and just give it a nice little burst of hydration, which I really enjoy. So if you're wanting to pick up one of these primers but just don't know which one, I will say this one is great and I think would be great for those of you looking for a quick fix. The thing with the face filter primer is that it looks good under makeup, but it also looks really good just on its own because it does a great job at just evening out your complexion while also blurring out any imperfections. Now with the Brighten Up primer, I think this one would be great for those of you looking for a primer that's really gonna grip onto your makeup and make it last in place while also keeping your skin looking super smooth throughout the day. This thing literally goes on like a dream. It's so lightweight and I can honestly see myself picking up this primer for photo ready type of makeup looks. Those were all of my concluding thoughts. I really hope that both of my reviews help you guys decide which one you want to purchase if you do. And with all of that being said, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments which one you decide to purchase if you do. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe because it's free and it's a fun time. So until next time, bye guys.